Yes. Yo, my people, welcome back to episode 6 of the Funded Challenge. Currently, we are actually up by 4%, and we need to make 8% to pass phase 1. Then, afterwards, we'll do phase 2, and we'll need 5% to pass phase 2. Then, we'll have our funded account. So, currently, as you can see, we have won every single day. So far, we had one losing day here. But, we move on from that one. And so far, we continue the streak. So, now we just got to make a few more wins, and hopefully, we'll be all right. So, everything's going good so far. So far, we won 85% of the time in terms of days. And yeah, so we'll see what today has for us. We can just quickly scan and see what happens. So right now the time is 12:10. Not much has happened yet. I did miss the setup, as I can see already. So this setup showed up at 11:45. Yeah, so I was on a chance then, but I did miss this setup right now. Decent little shout, entered right here. Stop loss would have been down here. You kind of see this time and time again. TP would have been up here. It hasn't hit TP so far, but TP would have been up here. So I guess we'll see if this actually does hit TP. We have this USD Swiss here that is clean. Let's see if we're going to hit this zone or this zone. Hopefully we don't get faked out on the first one, because there has been a bunch of fake outs recently. Just going to send this trade into the Discord, and we will see how it plays out. So we're tapped in the zone now, waiting for my confirmation of entry. You can see that nice little rejection. So that just closed just now. We're waiting for our break of candle. So hopefully we get that. Let's just have this set now. Stop loss for now would be down here. I'm looking at my TP is going to be right up here. And now we wait. It would be a shout to enter now, but yeah, I don't know. I'll just wait. I'll be patient with it. I'll be patient. I think battery of my magic key is low, so it keeps turning off. That's not looking good. That's a bit of an issue. I'm just going to enter now because my magic key is moving a bit crazy. I'm in this trade now. Stop loss is down here. It's pretty close. I should have given it a bit more breathing room. But yeah, so now that we're in this trade, we kind of just leave the rest to do its thing, really. That's about it now. I'm going to remove my stop loss, and I'll take myself out manually if I need to, just because I don't trust the way these things have been moving recently. So I'll just do it myself. But we can see spreads are decent. We entered, entry wasn't too bad. There is another zone here, and this is also a 15-minute setup. So hopefully this isn't a fake out. Okay, I'm not for this rejection at all. This rejection is looking crazy. Yeah, I think this is done. Finish trade's done. Yep. So that fake out was ridiculous. I should have left the moment I saw it. Push in, to be fair. We'll see if we get some kind of re-entry. Not sure. This week has been jarring, man. Fake outs on fake outs. Look at this. They're telling me we just got stopped out for. The market has been annoying, honestly. Super jarring. Now look at this volume now. Whoa. If we do get another BOC, I will enter for sure. I'm in. Alright, so now for sure I'm looking for about 1 or 2 now on this, because I do have to make my money back on the first trade. Only thing about that is now we're gonna have to break this high and all sorts. So this is a bit more risky now, because we're aiming past liquidity, right? So hopefully we do get that. There's literally no price action up top at all, so we don't know how far this is gonna go up at all, and this isn't like a 15-minute or 1 hour or anything, so this is a bit of a sticky one. Plus we gotta make our money back. So ideally I want to leave up here. I do want to enter another position, but at that point I'll be changing my risk management a little bit, because this could still lose, right? I'll never know. But if this then loses, then we lose a whole lot more, you get it? So it's a bit of a sticky one for sure. But let me quickly introduce you to today's sponsor, Vantage. Vantage is one of my favorite platforms that I've been trading with technically since 2022 when I first started. I've been on and off with them, but Vantage is a platform that I initially started with. Now, one of my favorite things to trade is indices. Reason why I love indices such as NAS is just because of how volatile it gets during New York session. They're different trading hours, right? You can trade during London session and during New York session. New York session is what I'm trading at the moment, and trading things like NAS, which is one of the indices that Vantage has, there is so much volatility, so much liquidity that you're able to make a ton of money. I recently literally got one of my highest trades just the other day, and this was during New York session. So if you want to trade New York session just like I do, and you want to start making this money, especially on a platform that is reliable, you can get your withdrawals many times. It's easy to also deposit money with pretty much no fees. Then I would highly recommend you check out Vantage. The link will be down in the description below. And thanks again to Vantage All-in-One for sponsoring this video. I might just add another entry. I don't. This is tricky. I don't feel super confident because there is a 15-minute setup here. There are gaps below. USD Swiss is super high. It's been moving high since, you know, for a few days. If you look at this, USD Swiss is high, bro. Yeah, so I don't know how much longer it's gonna keep going up for, but it has been moving up and up and up and up for some time now. I like this rejection right now, though. I think I'll enter another position. I think. Yeah, so I've entered one more position now because I like the way it looks, and yeah, I'll probably leave like this liquidity now. So I'm aiming for the 1 to 2, but if we do get here, then I'm leaving basically. Depends on how price starts moving once it grabs liquidity. So that's the game plan. Let's see if we can make our money back and have another winning day. So right now I'm just gonna walk away, stretch my legs for a little bit, and I'll be back to see what happens. This is definitely my last trade of the day, regardless. Whatever happens. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, so as we can see, price is still moving a little bit slow. We're starting to break these highs. At least, actually I barely even closed above anything. So it's dragging a little bit, but we have no news or anything that should interrupt this trade. And I'm looking to leave around the 1 to 2. Yeah, pretty much still leave it. And I'll be back in a bit. Okay, so we're looking at this beauty, ladies and gentlemen. And we're up 7 bills. Close to the 1K. Question of the day is, do we take the 1K and make our money back and be safe? Or look for my 1 and 2 like I would have? Right? That is the question of the day at the moment. Worst case scenario, they could come back, pull back. There is kind of this mini demand zone forming right now. So stop loss wise, there's no way I'm going to want to lose full bank on this right now. I would say like stop loss should at least be here now, just below this. That's like the most recent sort of swing low. But now, do I leave where I would have usually left? I'm telling you, this is now the question of the day. And I don't really know yet. Because this bullish movement is a bit wild, and they might come back to fill the gap, but it could also end here. We don't know if they want to break this high. They might not want to break that high. Or do we bet that they're going to break the high one more time? Keeping in mind we're already high as hell. Tricky decision. I'm telling you, where to leave your trades is just as stressful as anything else. But leaving that liquidity right now would be a 1 to 1.5, so I might at least do that. Just hope they'll at least grab liquidity up here. And we'll see where the candle closes once they at least hit the zone, right? But there's literally no price action above. So there's nothing that could stop this trade or would stop here or whatsoever. We just don't know how high they want to go. I do feel like it will hit, so I'm just going to wait. I'm going to have faith in it. We've taken a little breather here, so I like that that's happened. Because when it's just pumping up to the moon like that, that is also scary. So I do feel like this should keep going. We'll at least see that 1K at least, right? I'm hoping we can break above these highs. Hopefully we can close above this candle now, though. We just need a decent push. As soon as I hear that 1 or 2 on trading view, I'm out. Okay, so I've broken past this candle now. Volume is a bit slow though, but we've almost hit that 1K. Now this episode has probably been super dry, like nothing's happened. There's just been a bunch of waiting, dead price action. I would really regret to lose this trade right now, to be fair, right? But we've now filled this gap now. So if this doesn't start rejecting, then we might be in trouble. If we do lose, then we lose 2% today. I guess it's okay, but that's just setting us back. But if we didn't have to do that silly re-entry, then this would have been a super clean trade. I would have been out of this trade a long time ago. Everything would have been smooth. But it hasn't been the case. But hopefully, now that we've filled the gap completely, this starts to reject at some point. We shouldn't hit stop loss. I don't expect us to. Can't lie, this trade is hella boring. So I'm just going to walk away once again and just trust in the whole thing. I mean, that's all I can do at this point. Watching this is making me sleepy. Just going to leave the charts, let it do its thing, then I'll be back. I'm just considering if I should move my stop loss back or... Because if imagine getting stopped out and then it goes our way again, that could be frustrating. But I guess we'll just reduce our risk a little bit. We'll leave it there. Right, so your boy's back. Holy smokes, that this nearly stop us out, bro. Damn. What is happening here? Boy, that's crazy. This is what I mean by tight spreads, bro. Have brokers that have very good spreads. Because I would have been triggered if that stops me and I didn't. Oh, that's crazy. Look at how close that was. Damn. But now we're pushing back up though. So this has held several times now. I don't feel like we're gonna come down, bro. If we don't break this high, then we might be in trouble. But if not, then this is it. This should be it. Ton of liquidity sitting up here now. If we can just break these highs, we're gonna be sweet. We're gonna be in the money. This is another attempt now to break these highs. If we don't, we're in trouble. 2 minutes left till this candle closes. We should close above these highs, bro. We have to. We have to. This is like a lot. Like if this is to come back down here again, this trade is gonna lose. Facts. Like how many times? 1, 2, 3 times. Come on. Come on. We don't want this rejection. Break the highs, man. If we can break these highs, I think we're gonna just pump up. Okay. This is the highest we've been so far. Highest we've been so far. We're shooting up. We've hit the 1K mark now. But I think we could get more though. I think we can secure more. I think I'm gonna leave whatever this candle does. I think that's when I'm out though. There we go. 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 I knew it was gonna pump up. If we're gonna do that, I knew we were about to pump up. So can we just keep going though? If I can hit my 1 or 2 on trading V, I'm out, bro. Not playing around with it. 1 or 2 on trading V and I'm out. Hopefully this doesn't reject like crazy. We need to close above this high or we're in trouble. I'm telling you, if we don't close above this high, we might be in trouble, bro. But I did expect some kind of rejection from that huge push. It's to be expected. It happens all the time. Now let's look at the 1 minute quick. Yeah, look at the 1 minute right now. We've got this little consolidation right now, right? If we break this low, I think I'm just gonna leave, secure wherever I have at that point. Right, we're pushing. We're pushing. There we go. There we go. Nearly hit TP. Nearly hit TP. Just a bit more. I think we're going to. Come on. We're literally a tiny bit. Just a tiny little skim. Tiny bit away now. Just one more tick. Oh no. One more. Just a little bit more would have been it. But bro, this trade has been stressful, man. Like, look at this right now. All right, we've hit. I'm out. But now if we're looking at this, we're up 6% at the moment. Today's profit almost about 2%. I closed my trade pretty late, so I took a bigger loss than I should have. But overall, you can see right here, we're literally winning every single day besides this loss. If you do want to trade like I do and learn everything I know, then be sure to join the Discord down below. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.